What a guy, what a guy, what a guy. Fuck, I need to close my door. What a fucking idiot. Man, hold on. Alright, time for our post-market recap, kind of going over yesterday's price action, what I could have taken, what I should have taken type of thing, blah, 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 blah. Okay, to yesterday, today, whatever you want to call it, was actually kind of difficult, I guess, like, entries wise. We kind of legit open, we moved up, we swept this high here, sorry, that doesn't need to be there. We swept this high here at open, then we kind of just consolidated and then consolidated more and consolidated more. The only real entry I saw here is I don't know if that was an S&T. No, that was not an S&T. No S&T there. There's kind of maybe this liquidity sweep here. And then I believe it was a 1 minute inversion. Maybe a 2 minute, sorry guys, I can't actually really remember. Yeah, there it is, 2 minute. That right there could have been one trade, but I don't know personally, not really how I trade, so I would have taken that there, stop would have been there. Pretty sure that would have been like a, yeah, pretty much a 1-to-1 really, so that right there, one potential trade. I know a few bigger traders took that trade. I didn't take it just due to the fact that I still wanted longs because I was very bullish today because we were, which I was correct, where is it, just trending, uptrend, just bullish. We came down, we'd filled this hourly. The only thing I thought we could have done is maybe come down and sweep this hourly or come into this 1 hour fair value gap as well, but yeah, just bullish, overall bullish for the day. So I was wanting to see longs, didn't really want to take a short didn't appeal to me. So once that short position, once that got its entry anyway, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. We had an S&T of the data low at 8:30. So once we had that, once we swept that low, we literally just consolidated till like pretty much 10:30. But the reason I got off, I mean, I guess there could have been something in here once we came out of the range, maybe on the 5 minute. Yeah, once we pushed out of this range, you could have taken maybe this fair value gap trade. Could have taken that, maybe waited for the retracement into here. You would have been, could have entered like there, stop would have been there. You would have got very, very, very close to your stop loss. That would have continued on and hitting your TP. So that right there could have been a potential trade, but you wouldn't have taken that till 10:40, and I got off at 10:30 because, as you know, Top Step had an issue yesterday, which is annoying. So yeah, Top Step was low-key up to fuck all. So this trade here would have been the ideal trade for me. Maybe what to do in the future, leave my stops with a little bit more breathing room instead of just like literally sitting them right there. So leave my stops with a bit more breathing room. But yeah, this would have been the ideal trade for me today. S&T of data low, we had our consolidation, guess our little manipulation, then distribution higher. Could have taken it off that 5 minute close and taken it all the way up to that 4 hour high, I believe. So that would have been the ideal trade for me personally today, if I was to take one, because that gives what. So on my thing here, you guys can't see that. It says identify ranges. So what happened? We closed out of that range. What happened after that? We had a higher time frame. We had a S&T of data lows, sweet as. We also had a higher time frame liquidity sweep. Oh no, we didn't. No, we didn't. We just had the S&T of data lows. And my draw on liquidity was clear. Was it clear? Yes. So that would have been the absolute perfect trade right here in these circumstances. So, but with that being said, I'll leave you to it, and I will see you. Actually, no, it's public holiday. Yeah, no trading tomorrow. Bank or a holiday in America, and there's no trading on Friday. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. I need to have a look. So I might see you tomorrow with a Rise to Riches bootcamp. But anyway, see you later. Peace.